Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tsholo Phoka. In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 7 tips I wish I knew to take care of my natural hair when I went back to natural. Let's get straight into the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Follow me as well on all my social media accounts to be notified of every time I'm posting a video, because I'll be posting everything I post on YouTube there. All hair is different and unique. Tip number 1, get to know your hair. You might be the same hair type as me, but your hair might absorb moisture in a different way, which would be your hair porosity. Some people have low porosity and some high porosity. Even hair density might be different, which is the amount of hair that grows out of your head. Experiment with products while you're still starting to experiment what works with your hair. Even later in your natural hair journey, you might want to change your natural hair products or routine because of the environment you're in. The water there could be affecting your hair, so make sure that you just know what's working with your hair to best take care of it. This makes me think of an example actually. Many people love coconut oil and it helps them keep moisture in, grow their hair, but for me it breaks my hair, it makes my hair dry, so I can't use it. I can't use it on my hair, so I keep away from all things coconut oil on my head. So my best advice in this case is just to research on Google, watch other YouTubers to see maybe what you can incorporate into your natural hair routine, to see what works, what doesn't work, what you can throw in the bin, and what you can keep to keep your hair healthy, which is the main goal. Tip number 2, moisture, moisture, moisture. Making sure that your hair is moisturized is very important. Water is the best moisturizer for your hair, but it can so easily be lost because of heat and pollution in our environment. Locking in the water you put in your hair with oils and butters can ensure long-lasting moisture. I'm going to do a video soon on how to moisturize hair. Tip number 3. Keep your hair and scalp clean. To ensure that your hair is healthy and grows, ensure that you wash your hair every week or every other week, which is every second week. Washing your hair is also a personal thing because you might exercise more, which might mean you might have to wash your hair more, but you must also make sure that you're replenishing the moisture every time you wash your hair. Find a shampoo that works for your hair but will not strip your hair of too much moisture. I personally use sulfate-free shampoos because I don't use too many products on my hair, so I don't need much removed from my hair. If you know that you lather too many products on your hair and you use products with, for example, mineral oil, make sure that you wash your hair with sulfate shampoo so you can actually remove those products from your hair after washing, so that when you put water back into your hair, it won't be blocked by all these products that are meant to keep moisture in. But if they're there for too long, they can actually stop more moisture coming into your hair, which may make your hair dry and break off. We don't want dry and dull hair, so just make sure that the shampoo you use balances with the products you're using. Tip number 4, eating healthy and drinking water. Your skin and hair are the last organs in your body to get H2O and nutrients, so it's very important to make sure that you're getting in moisture into your body and the sufficient nutrients you need to keep you by. One thing I'm consistent with is drinking 2 liters of water per day. I have a big water bottle that makes drinking water so simple and easy for me. I forget that I even drank 2 liters of water because I don't have to go to the tap 100 times per day. I also try getting fruits and vegetables as much as I can. Other people love actually using multivitamins, but make sure you check in with your doctor before taking those. Tip 5, protective styling. If growing your hair is your goal, low manipulation styling and also protective styling should be your best friend. Low manipulation styling includes just maybe not combing your hair every day, just using your hands to fluff out your hair, not braiding your hair every day while you sleep, just basically leaving your hair alone. While protective styling is braiding your hair maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks, just leaving it alone in a protective style like a bun or cornrows or braids, things that you will just moisturize your hair with the spray and leave it alone. When braiding your hair, ensure that it's not too tight, because that can also cause traction alopecia or just break your hair. Whoever's braiding your hair, or if you're braiding your hair, just ensure that it's not too tight. You don't want to wear it for long, preferably, because you still have to wash your hair and do things like that. And you also do not want to cause damage to your hairline and also to your hair. Never forget moisture during a protective style, because you still need moisture. And please, please, please don't do your hair if you're dreading to do it. Just put on a headscarf and call it a day. Tip number 6, patience. Hair growth depends on genetics, so there's no magic pill that's going to make your hair grow faster than it genetically does. My hair generally grows 0.5 inches per month, but I also take into consideration breakage during the year from protective styling, from combing my hair. This tip goes along with tip number 1 of knowing your hair. Know what's normal hair growth for your hair and what's not normal, like extreme breakage, because some breakage actually might be normal to your hair, because if you see those tiny splinters in your hair basin, it actually might just be normal breakage. If your hair is growing at the same average every month, just enjoy your natural hair journey and just be patient. Don't force it to grow faster than it should, because genetics play a big role. The last tip, tip number 7, comparison. Your hair is beautiful however it grows out of your scalp. It might shrink more or be thinner than what you'd like it to be, but just love it the way it is and avoid negative self-talk at all costs. Comparison is the thief of joy. That also actually applies to life. Do not compare, just go on your own journey. Just know what is working, what is not working. Know what is you, what is not you, and just be happy with it. And if you cannot change it, accept it. It's good to have hair goals and admire other people, but always know that there's nothing wrong with how your hair naturally grows out of its scalp, as long as it's healthy, clean, and moisturized. So there you have it, guys, my tips of taking care of your natural hair. If you've gotten to the end, just make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. Please add a comment on your own natural hair tips for other people watching, or what you'd like to see more on this channel. You can also add a comment on which tip you like the most. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.